Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Edge 50 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and select Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!